Stretching is a great way to start your day and set yourself up for success. Stretching can help increase blood flow, improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness and stiffness, and prepare your body for whatever activities you have planned for the day. In this article, we'll explore 20 stretching exercises that you can incorporate into your morning routine. 1. Neck stretch. Gently tilt your head to one side, hold for a few seconds, and then switch sides. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each side. 2. Shoulder roll. Roll your shoulders forward and backward in a circular motion, alternating directions for 10 to 15 repetitions. 3. Chest opener. Stand facing a wall and place your palms flat against it at shoulder height. Lean forward to feel a stretch in your chest muscles. 4. Upper back stretch. Sit cross-legged and clasp your hands in front of you, then round your upper back and push your hands away from your body. 5. Side stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and raise your arms overhead. Gently lean to one side, feeling a stretch in your oblique muscles, then switch sides. 6. Standing hamstring stretch. Place one foot on a raised surface, such as a step or chair, and hinge forward at the hips to feel a stretch in your hamstrings. 7. Standing quad stretch. Stand on one leg and bend your opposite knee to bring your heel toward your buttocks. Use your hand to gently pull your foot toward your buttocks, feeling a stretch in your quadriceps. 8. Standing calf stretch. Place your hands on a wall and step one foot back, keeping your heel on the ground. Lean forward to feel a stretch in your calf muscle, then switch sides. 9. Hip flexor stretch. Step one foot forward into a lunge position and press your hips forward to feel a stretch in your hip flexor. Switch sides and repeat. 10. Glute stretch. Lie on your back with your knees bent, then cross your left ankle over your right knee. Gently pull your right knee toward your chest to feel a stretch in your left glute muscle. Switch sides and repeat. 11. Hamstring stretch with strap. Lie on your back and loop a strap around the bottom of your foot. Straighten your leg and pull the strap gently toward your head, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings. Child's pose. Begin on your hands and knees, then sit back on your heels and reach your arms forward, feeling a stretch in your lower back and hips. Downward facing dog. Begin on your hands and knees, then lift your hips up and back into a V shape. Feel a stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and spine. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach and place your hands under your shoulders. Push up with your hands, lifting your chest and stretching your abdominal muscles. Seated spinal twist. Sit with your legs extended in front of you, then cross your right leg over your left knee. Twist to the right, placing your left elbow outside your right knee. Switch sides and repeat. Standing IT band stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and cross your right ankle over your left knee. Bend your left knee and hinge forward at the hips, feeling a stretch along the outside of your right leg. Switch sides and repeat. Pigeon pose. Begin on your hands and knees, then bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg behind you and lower down onto your forearms, feeling a stretch in your right hip. Switch sides and repeat. Happy baby pose. Lie on your back and draw your knees toward your chest. Hold on to the outer. Ankle stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs straight in front of you. Cross one leg over the other and place your foot on the opposite knee. Hold your ankle width. Wrist stretch. Sit on your knees and place your hands on the floor in front of you with your fingers facing away from your body. Slowly lean forward, feeling a stretch in your wrists and forearms. Incorporating stretching exercises into your morning routine can have numerous benefits for your physical and mental well-being. By taking just a few minutes to stretch each morning, you can increase your flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and prepare your body for the day ahead. Try incorporating these 20 stretching exercises into your morning routine and see how they make you feel.